Hey there, thanks for checking out this video. If you're like me and you have a stock base 718 Cayman and you'd like a little more horsepower, a little more torque, then this video is for you. Today I'll be walking through how to install the Softronic tune to your base Cayman. Stick around, I'll walk you through the steps. So the first thing you do is you'll place your order with the whoever you're purchasing the tune from. In this case, I purchased it direct from Softronic. A few days later, they mailed me this box, which contains this My Genius tool and a couple of cords that you will use to connect to your computer and to your car. First thing this will do is read the information off of your current ECU that you have for the engine. You will then send that file back to Softronic so that they can evaluate the information and then know which tune to send back to you, because they have several different tunes that based on some equipment on your car that they'll send back. Once you get that file back, you'll upload it to this tool, which you will then place back through the OBD2 port in your car and upload that file to the ECU, and you'll have a different tune in your car ready to make some more power. Softronic will then send you an email and will ask you to install this My Genius 2 application on your computer. Once you do that, it will ask for a couple updates to the software itself. And then you will connect your dim sport tool to the computer via this USB cord that's included with the kit, and then hit the update button. Here's some video updating the tool that you will use. Once you have the tool updated, you will go ahead and then attach that second cord that came with the box to the OBD2 port. And if you don't know where it is, showing you here in the footwell so that you can see how you connect it up to there. And then you hook it up to your tool, and then you're ready to go to the next step, where we read the information off of the car. So once you have it plugged in, you will see this menu pop up, and you want to select work, which in this case happens to be the top one. And once we do that, the next step we want to hit is part identify, which is the top one. And then it will say connect to your vehicle with a stabilized battery. And we're going to want to turn the vehicle on itself. Once you do this, when you buy this tune, it will be married to the vehicle. You won't be able to take this tune and take it to another vehicle. So it's identifying all the information with the car, and you get a status bar here too as well. Next step will be the ID, to which you just say okay, and it'll start the communication. And now it has the information of the file that you can send, along with some other information that Softronic asks of you, and you're ready to get the new file. So after you've downloaded the file from your car, you will want to hook the tool back up to your computer with the other cord, and then you will get this option that says download from My Genius, where you will download the file from your car to your computer. Once you've downloaded the file, go to the location where it's downloaded. This will be the file that you will send to Softronic. They provide you their email address and say that you will have the new file within 48 hours. So the turnaround time from Softronic was less than 24 hours from when I sent them the file last night to having the new file for me before this afternoon. So now I'm ready to go. The file that they sent back was zipped in a zipped folder. So you'll want to download that and then go ahead and unzip it, and then attach your tool back to the computer, and then open up the Dim Sport or the My Genius app that you downloaded yesterday, and then go to upload to My Genius. And then we'll pick that file. So now we'll go ahead and upload that file. And then once you're at this screen where it says it's been uploaded successfully, you're ready to remove the My Genius from the computer and take it back to the car. So here we're back at the car, and we want to go ahead and attach the My Genius back to the OBD2 port. And there are a few things that we want to do before we start uploading the new file. First thing, you want to make sure that you have a full battery in your car, because you're not going to start it while it's writing the new file. And it could take between 10 to 45 minutes is what they say. You have your car on, you want to select work, and then we want to do writing. So now it can take between 10 to 45 minutes for this to fully upload into the computer. And that's why you want to make sure you have a fully charged battery. So there were a few checks that it was saying to make sure that I had a full battery, that I was fully plugged in, and that I was confirming that I was going to write the new file to the ECU. All right, so there were a few prompts that I had to do here, and it did not take 45 minutes. It took about 15 or 20. So now it's asking me to switch off the key. To continue, press OK. Now it's waiting. Switch on and check the connections. Press OK. And so now it's wrapping up. Switch off the dashboard to continue. And now it's starting communication again. And now it's telling me that the writing is complete. So one of the things, if you want to put the factory tune back on, it is stored in your My Genius tool. So you would go back in and, just like we did here, hit the write, except you'll be given an option for modified or factory. So now that it's all installed, they say it takes about 30 miles of driving for the new tune to be learned by the ECU, and then you'll have all the power that you've paid for. So that's all there is to walk through the installation of the Softronics tune to your Porsche Cayman. They do make it for other models in the Cayman lineup and other Porsches as well. So if you have a vehicle that you want to install a tune on, the steps are going to be similar for each one. And let me say, I've taken this out since I've installed it. The improvement is immediately noticeable, and it provides quite a substantial increase in power over the stock setup that came with the vehicle. So if you like this video, stick around. I'll have more videos on this Porsche, as well as other vehicles that I have in the garage and other projects that I do around here. Thanks for watching.